What's good, my people? Back again with another video. As always, I need to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe, check out all the content, all the videos. I won't waste your time begging you, just do it if you wish. If you don't, then don't. Let's get straight into this one. Red and white Nike Sportswear box, needs no introduction. The label does though. And it says Nike Dunk Low Retro, and the color is black, university red, white. 10.5 US size, UK 9.5, BR 42.5, centimeters 28.5, and Euro 44.5. Style code on this pair is FB3354-001, and they are made in Indonesia. Yes, so I already took them out. I haven't worn them yet, but I did take them out to do the on foot, so that's why you're going to see them straight away. And we've got the Dunk Low. I don't know what to call these. They're not pandas, they got red on them. But yeah, I think I prefer these to the pandas, you know. I think the red just makes them pop a bit. Plus there's no hype around these, no one really cares about these. 10/10 for me. We'll get to the sole. The sole is plain black Dunk sole as always, midsole white. Then we've got leather here, which is black panels. Then we've got a tumbled leather white panel, extendo red swoosh. We've got more tumbled leather in white, and standard leather in black again, wrap around. Then again on the back tab on the rear quarter, we've got on the lace loops that same black leather. Toe box is that white tumbled, so white tumbled, white tumbled, white tumbled, then black, black, black. Standard. And then we've got the Nike on the back, which is embroidered. It does look kind of high up, I'll be honest. That's a bit odd. I don't know, it just seems a bit odd to me. It is slightly high up, but nothing too much. But obviously I noticed it. Yeah, it's slightly more high up, but yeah, it's alright. Then we've got the white tongue, and then the red Nike logo on the little tab there on the tongue. Inside black and red, and then we've got the white sock liner or inliner, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I really like these more than the pandas. I think it's just the red, it just pops a bit more. I do like the color red as well. The way to style these, loads of possibilities, to be honest. I think this might be one of my last Dunk pickups, I'm not going to lie. I don't think I'm going to be buying any more. I don't know why, I just would rather buy other sneakers. But yeah, let me know what you think. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Request any videos if you want to request them. Check out all the content. Wait a few moments, you'll see an on-foot video.